Hello everyone, welcome back to Eat a Plant. And if you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So happy new year. Woo! And happy Veganuary. If you're not familiar with Veganuary, Veganuary is a non-profit organization in the UK, encouraging people worldwide to go vegan for the first month of the year. Vegan January, Veganuary. And the top 3 reasons why people participate in Veganuary are for personal health, animal welfare, and the environment. I will link their website down below. Their website is full of information, recipes, and other great sources. So today's recipe video is on a quick and easy tomato chickpea stew. This is one of the fastest hearty meals I can make in under 30 minutes. And it's pretty inexpensive. So without further ado, let's begin. So here are the ingredients we're gonna need for this recipe. Here I have for a double batch, because that's how much I make so I could have leftovers. But I will list everything on the description down below for a single and double. We're gonna start by crushing and dicing the garlic. Then we're gonna peel the potatoes and cube them. And now we're gonna dice the onions. My poor eyes. So now my chickpeas are drained and rinsed, and I'm ready to put everything together. Today I'm using the deglazing method with no oil, so I have to make sure the pot is really hot. But you could also cook it with oil. You could use 1 to 2 tablespoons. We're gonna keep stirring, and then we're gonna add the bay leaves and the oregano and mix it all together. Once we start to see the char in the pot, we're gonna start our deglazing method by adding water and scraping off that char for flavor. And now we're gonna let the onions and the garlic cook with the water for a little bit more until it's a little more transparent. I'm gonna add a little bit more of water just to keep cooking the onions. But if you decided to use the oil, just cook it until everything is transparent. Now we're gonna add the chickpeas, the potatoes, the frozen peas and carrots, and the marinara sauce. Also salt to taste. And now what I do with the remainder of the water, I put it back into the marinara jar, shake it, and I put it back into the pot. This way you have a clean jar. Now we're gonna let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are cooked. This double batch took a little longer, and I added half a cup of water more. I like my stew a little more liquidy, but if you like it thicker, then disregard the water. Now it's done and it's ready to be served. I'm gonna plate it with white rice and broccoli on the side. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if this recipe was easy for you to follow, and also what other additional vegetables you add to your own stew. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. I have more vegan recipe videos coming up, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. In under 30 seconds. No. The comments below if it was eating. Let me know in the comments below. Hey, shh.